Imagine a conveyor belt humming with thousands of perfectly portioned meals. Meals that traveled from raw ingredients to your dinner plate in under an hour. Welcome to the hidden world of ready meal factories, where culinary science meets industrial magic. Hey there, curious minds! Today, you're stepping inside one of the most fascinating behind-the-scenes operations on the planet. How millions of ready meals are made in a factory. No lectures, just a lively tour with surprising facts, a few aha moments, and plenty to stir your curiosity. Ready? Let's go! 1. From ingredient arrival to lineup. It all starts with massive deliveries. Picture pallets of fresh vegetables, meats, sauces, and every component you can think of, delivered daily by big refrigerated trucks. Factories coordinate logistics like a dance. Just-in-time arrivals ensure nothing spoils, and strict quality checks guarantee only the best ingredients move forward. Ingredient receiving and inspection. Each item's freshness is verified by visual inspection, temperature checks, and occasionally lab testing. Nothing sneaks through below par. Storage systems. Walk into the storage area and you'll find frozen, chilled, and dry zones, all meticulously organized. Freezer rooms often hold crates at -20 degrees Celsius, ensuring meats and vegetables stay crisp. Coolers hover at around 4 degrees Celsius, just right to keep sauces and dairy safe. Dry goods like pasta or rice live at ambient temperatures. The complexity of it is mind-blowing, but absolutely necessary to feed millions, safely and deliciously. 2. Precision mixing and portioning. Once ingredients are green-lit, they're whisked into pre-mixing vats. Here's where recipes meet mass scaling. Automated mixers. Giant paddle mixers swirl sauces or soups with uncanny consistency. Want the same flavor in batch 47 and batch 1483? This is how they achieve it. Portioning machines. Think industrial sprinklers of rice, pasta, meat, or vegetables. Each nozzle calibrated to drop, say, 200 grams of chicken exactly. No guesswork, no eyeballing. It's micro-precision. Through sensors and load cells, machines self-correct. Too heavy, adjust. Too light, tweak. That's why your frozen dinner isn't more or less. You get the same experience every single time. Third assembly line, symphony. The kitchen turns into a factory floor. Conveyors glide trays or microwavable containers past stations. Layering. Meat here, veg there, sauce at the end. Robots, or carefully trained humans, ensure the visual layout remains consistent, because presentation matters even when it's frozen. Garnishing and add-ins. If there's a sprinkle of herbs or a dash of cheese, automated dispensers or assembly line chefs add those final touches, creating appeal, not just sustenance. All of this is choreographed so each tray moves seamlessly through the line, efficiency married to culinary aesthetics. 4. Cooking, or not. Depending on the meal, there are two big paths: pre-cooking and blast chilling. Some meals are partially cooked. Imagine a lasagna with layers baked just enough, then rapidly cooled in blast chillers to lock in texture and flavor. Raw and frozen. Other meals stay mostly raw, like a stir-fry with uncooked veggies, destined to be fully cooked at home. Both approaches require strict time and temperature control to make sure safety and flavor are preserved. 5. Freezing and flash freezing. The magic lies in the freezing process. Flash freezers, IQF, individually quick frozen. Meals are blasted by Arctic air at -40 degrees Celsius or more, freezing in seconds. The result? Tiny ice crystals, which preserve the structure of ingredients so that texture isn't mushy when reheated. Tunnel freezers. Your trays glide through a frosty tunnel, emerging perfectly frozen and ready for packaging. Imagine the speed, one end in hot cooking smell, the other in crisp Arctic essence. That's the heartbeat of ready meal speed. 6. Packaging and sealing. After freezing, it's packaging time. Heat-sealed films, clear microwave-safe films, are sealed onto containers, ensuring airtight freshness. Some factories stamp on best-before dates, barcodes, and batch codes instantly. So traceability isn't just a buzzy word, it's built in. Shrink sleeve labels or direct printing, colorful branding, cooking instructions, and nutrition facts come either via snug film sleeves or printed directly on the lid. It's a mix of functionality and marketing flair. 7 quality checks again. At nearly every stage, there's a moment for quality assurance. Weight checks. Some units pass over scales to confirm weight is spot on. Metal detectors. Before final packaging, anything metal in the product gets flagged. Safety first. Visual inspections. Cameras scan trays. If broccoli is upside down or sauce is lopsided, the unit gets rejected. No one wants a weird-looking dinner. And of course, thermal imaging ensures that every item is frozen through, not half warm in the center. 8. Packing into cases and palletizing. Once meals are individually ready, pack them into cases or cartons, designed for transport efficiency. Robotic palletizing. Boxes get stacked in patterns so pallets are stable and space efficient. One pallet might hold thousands of meals. Shrink wrapping and labeling. A final layer of shrink film or stretch wrap keeps pallets intact during transit. They're then loaded onto trucks destined for supermarkets, stores, or distribution centers. 9. The hidden heroes, people and robots. You might imagine robots rule everything, but it's people and machines working in harmony. Engineers calibrate equipment, troubleshoot jams, or design recipes that scale. Quality inspectors ensure food safety and compliance. Technicians maintain freezers and conveyors. Operators monitor sensors, oversee automated systems, and make on-the-spot judgments. Because no system is perfect, it's a living, breathing ecosystem, even in a chilled factory. 10. Sustainability and efficiency. Factory operations don't just churn meals, they're evolving. Energy-efficient freezing. New technologies recycle excess cold or use heat from compressors to warm the facility, cutting energy use dramatically. Waste reduction. Leftover peels, scraps, or trims get composted, sent to anaerobic digesters, or even become biofuel. Nothing's wasted. Smart logistics. Real-time data sync ensures meals ship only when needed, reducing overproduction and spoilage. Your frozen meal isn't just convenient, it's possibly part of a lean, green production machine. All right, now you've peeked behind the curtain at how millions of ready meals are made. From ingredient trucks to frozen trays whisking across assembly lines, from flash freezing to robotic palletizing. It's an extraordinary blend of precision engineering, culinary know-how, safety science, and logistics wizardry. Next time you pop one of those meals into the microwave, take a second to imagine that journey, every step designed to deliver taste, safety, and consistency on a massive scale. So, if this little trip through the world of ready meal factories sparked your curiosity, smash that subscribe button, hit share, and like for more behind-the-scenes deep dives that surprise and inspire.